Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set reminders on the Brilliant application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the Today button down below, which is the fourth option. After that you should scroll down till you find this Set Reminders button below the daily activities section. Tap on it, and here you should select your reminders. There are three categories such as math and logic, so tap on it and now these reminders are turned on, as you can see, such as science and engineering, and you can also select the time zone. If you tap on it, here you have a bunch of options that you can select from. So if you want to save these changes, all you have to do is clicking on the save button down below. Tap on let's go. Choose Brilliant in your phone settings, tap on notifications in order to allow the app to access your notifications. Tap on allow notifications, and if you go back you will be able to see that it lets you to save the changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.